Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Xiaomi Redmi A3. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and then there's two speakers right here. I think so, I'm not sure, we're gonna check it anyway. And also the speaker on the top of the screen, which is a phone call speaker. And now to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Let's test it out. And as far as I've heard it, there's no stereo speakers on this device, but this thing right here is a speaker, and the sound was coming only from this one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.